The skin, your body's protective barrier.
Your skin is the largest organ in your body and serves as a crucial shield. It covers every inch of you, sealing out germs, toxins, and harmful substances. By forming a tough, flexible layer, skin keeps your inner organs safe and helps maintain your body's delicate balance. Without this barrier, your body would be highly vulnerable to the outside environment.
Blocking germs and disease.
The outermost layer of skin, called the epidermis, is your frontline defense against infection. This layer is packed with tough cells and natural oils that block bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Even tiny cuts trigger immune responses, summoning cells to attack invaders. This powerful barrier keeps countless germs from entering your body every day.
Stopping toxins and chemicals.
Skin helps protect you from harmful chemicals and environmental toxins. The skin's structure prevents many substances from passing through. When you encounter irritants like cleaning products or pollution, skin cells and oils act as a shield. Special pigment cells also help guard against ultraviolet rays from the sun, reducing the risk of DNA damage.
Physical protection and injury prevention.
Your skin cushions and protects you from physical harm. Its flexible, multi-layered design absorbs impacts and redistributes pressure. When you get a scrape or bump, tough skin cells limit the damage and help wounds heal. The skin's sensitivity even alerts you to pain or heat, prompting you to react and avoid serious injury.
How skin repairs itself.
Skin has an amazing ability to heal. When injured, the body quickly closes the wound, forms a scab, and starts producing new cells. Blood vessels deliver necessary nutrients and immune cells to support the healing process. Over time, damaged skin is replaced, and scars may form as reminders of the body's protection in action.
Caring for your body's first line of defense.
Taking care of your skin helps it work at its best. Regular cleaning, moisturizing, sun protection, and avoiding harsh chemicals keep the skin strong and healthy. Good skincare not only helps you look your best, but also protects you from infections, injury, and harmful environmental factors, ensuring your body's first line of defense stays strong every day.